Hey everyone, today I've got something really exciting for all you Pokémon Go fans out there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I managed to get an insane Pokémon Go Spoofer installed on my iPhone. One that gives you access to a full set of powerful tools that completely change the way you play the game. And yes, it actually works. And yes, it's way easier to set up than you might think. So, let me show you what I'm working with. Right here on my phone, you can see I've already got the Spoofer up and running. It comes packed with some seriously awesome features. There's a built-in joystick that lets you move around the map as if you're walking in real life. Then there's the teleport feature, which is probably my favorite. You can literally choose any location around the world and teleport there instantly. There's also a speed control tool, which lets you adjust how fast your character walks. And that's just scratching the surface. This spoofer also has cooldown timers, map pins, and even hotspot recommendations, so you always know where to go for the best catches. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how hard is it to set up? Honestly, it's way easier than it sounds. You don't need to jailbreak your device or do anything risky. In fact, if you just follow along with this video step by step, you'll be able to install everything on your own, safely, and without any complicated tech stuff. Alright, let's get into it. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Pokémon Go and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.